Hi there, I'm Mark from High Rise Digital. Do you know the one thing that recruiters told us about their recruitment websites and what they should be? Well, in this video I'm going to tell you what they said, but more importantly, how your recruitment website can work better for you. Here we go. We asked a ton of recruiters what the main purpose of their websites was, and nearly everyone said the same thing. They all told us that above else, their website needs to look professional. Sounds sensible, right? But what does that actually mean? Now, after giving this some thought, I narrowed this down to 3 things. The first one was consideration. Now, the website should be considerate to meeting the needs of the website's audience, and it shows that you care about the audience that is viewing your website. For example, it should have obviously good spelling and grammar, showing the audience that you care, you've taken the time to make it right. The text should be easy to read, appropriate for the audience that is viewing the site, and an appropriate font and size. You should show attention to detail. Again, make it look like you care about what the website is looking like and behaving like for your audience. The second thing was confidence. On your website, you should come across as confident in what you do. Clients want to see that you are confident about your abilities to provide them with what they need. And being confident sets you apart as the expert in your field. And the third and final thing is consistency. Now, this perhaps is one of the most important things. Being consistent in all that you do makes you look professional. Now, consistency can include lots of things. Perhaps the obvious things are things like your design and your branding, using the same colour scheme, using the same fonts, the same typefaces, and that sort of thing makes you much more consistent and much more professional looking. Also includes things like the tone of voice you use, the writing style that you use on your website. Are you more serious or are you more fun? That sort of thing makes you stand out and makes you better when you are consistent with that across all that you do, as well as obviously on your website. And a consistency in your behaviour as well. That is also a good way of making yourself look professional. Now, looking professional, of course, is very subjective. But I think if you focus on the 3 things we've talked about in this video, consideration, confidence, and consistency, then you're not going to go far wrong and you're going to end up with looking professional. Remember, a good professional looking recruitment site is where you are going to be able to build trust and authority with your audience. That is your candidates, your clients, and potential people who are going to work for you. So it's really important that you get your website looking professional so that it meets the needs of those 3 audiences. So, what do you think? Have I missed anything off this list? Is there something that I've missed that really is important to look professional? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, please, of what you think makes a website, particularly a recruitment website, look professional. Now, if you like this video, then please consider hitting the like button below, and if you want to see more recruitment website tips, tricks and hints like this, then do consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.